destroyed in a dignified manner, preferably by burning. As we honor the flag, we're also honoring those who served and died in war. So there's many customs to retiring the flag, but the most important thing that we need to remember as we do this tonight is that we're patriotic, we're respectful, we do this in a very dignified manner.
What does dignified mean?
The 50 stars on our flag represent the 50 states of the United States of America.
What's pale?
And does anybody know what the 13 stripes represent?
The colonies.
That's right, the colonies. So that's what they mean. Now the colors of the flag, they're symbolic as well.
Patriotic colors.
That's right, red, white, and blue. The red symbolizes hardness and valor. The white symbolizes purity and innocence. And blue represents vigilance and perseverance and justice.
I have on you
So we're going to have the Jensen father and son read a story. And then you guys can unfurl that flag as they read the story. So go ahead. You guys can open that flag.
Can you do the flag?
You are the stars and stripes.
No.
I am Old Glory.
You are the flag of the United States of America.
I am the symbol of democracy around the world.
You are red, white, and blue.
I am the representation of blood, purity, and unity.
You are the flag that flies over the land of the free.
I am a silent sentinel of freedom.
You are as old as our country.
I was born on June 14th, 1777. Oddly enough, my birthday is June 14th.
You are a symbol of life.
You are, yes. I am a symbol of your belief in eternal life.
You are disciplined in every American You are displayed in every American classroom.
I am the soldier that stands guard over my country's classroom.
You are the one who lies over the coffin of our honored dead.
I am flown at half-mast to honor those who have served me and my country.
You embody the American freedom. Freedom of speech, religion, assembly, the press, and the sanctity of the home.
I embody the eternal principles of liberty, justice, and humanity.
You are the living symbol of our nation's law, the Constitution of the United States, and the Bill of Rights.
I am the voice of Abraham Lincoln's philosophy, a government of the people, by the people, for the people.
You have your own special day, June 14th.
I have my own law, Public Law 829, the Flag Code.
You are the sacred emblem of our country.
I symbolize your birthright, your heritage of liberty purchased with blood and sorrow.
You are the eternal vigilance, our price of freedom.
I was created in freedom, making my first appearance in the fight for human rights.
You are my flag. I salute you.
I am the American flag. I respect those who salute me.
All right, thank you. So as Brother Albert and Brother Anderson retire this flag, let's all stand. Salute. You can do the Boy Scout salute. If you're a veteran, you can salute. Put your hand over your heart, but let's remove our cap. If you're a Cub Scout, you can do a Cub Scout salute. And let's make sure we take this time to do a moment of silence. Thank you, everybody.
It's still survive.
Have a seat. We're going to do a little devotional on the Aaronic priesthood. So we're going to